based web application where users can chat with other online user. So here, when we run, the home page looks like this is not the home page, I'm sorry. So home page is this, and if you want to register, you can use some random names and try and register. So this is how you can get registered. So I would be logging with some username which I got registered with. So this is the username, and it shows blank active users because there are none right now. And then for this user which I already logged in, he could see the which I logged in now, and then I could send messages between them. So when I try and type hi to him, he receives that message. So I can send any other message like this. So this is how the two users gets connected. And then let's go into the chat part, the code part. So we have different components: the connect component, login component, and registration. Registration is for registration page, login for login page, and connect is for active users page. So in the registration, we have we have different input types for first name, last name, and so on. And then we have used few functions here. We call an API of localhost 4000. We have used cards. We have incorporated cards in the backend so that cross origin resource sharing can be possible. Otherwise you can't run both at a time. So here's how the server first, it has some routes. So it gets Mongoose and DB connection. So let me show. So this is a DB connection which is the database link, and then it connects to the port 4000, and then the registration route it requires routes dot registration route. So these are the routes which are specified. So whenever API slash nothing comes, so it verifies whether user credentials are right or wrong. And when API the link slash API slash get users, then it gets the users, and users can send messages. So the sockets emit the message. So in this way, a user who want to write a message and send can get into these get users, and then he emits a message, and then the other user who is a receiver receives the message. So this registration, so it says user added successfully when you go into the registration, when it's successful. And then for login, the credentials are verified. uh, and then yeah, so whenever in a socket connection, each user has his own socket. So the socket of user is his id, is recognized with his id. So when user get disconnected, then you delete the socket value, and then emit an updated users list when a user sets his username, then emit updated user, so that the updated username is represented. And then when you send a message, then user emits the message. So these are the three functions which we have created, so using sockets. And then so in this way the users can communicate. This is what our application is all about. And then we have incorporated few new things other than what's spoken about in the class, like sockets. So that's it, and thank you.